Hi guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more video. And for today's video, we are going to react to Arabella and Jessica Villarubin. So without further ado, let's go! So ito guys, nakita ko lang to sa may Facebook, sa Philippine Diva. So ilalagay ko yung link sa description para pag gusto niyo panoorin ng kompleto. Kasi talaga nagagalingan ako sa kanila. So let's watch this.
I wanna call the stars
Arabella
from
guys.
the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I know what's beautiful looking at
Gusto ko talaga yung boses nito ni Arabella kasi yung boses niya guys, buong buo.
in a world full of lies. You are the truth.
Buo guys.
And baby, every time you touch me, I'll become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are.
Parang si Adele siya kumanta. Parang mga ganun.
Everything you ask for, nothing is above me.
Natutuwa kasi ako sa kanya. Unang nakita ko siyang kumanta dun sa may kay Boy Abunda. Partida wala pa siyang ginamit na wala pa siyang ginagamit na auto-tune dun. Pero yung boses niya, panalo talaga buong buo. Para man sa Rispempenko.
Shining like a candle in the dark when you tell me that you love me. In a world without you, I would always hunger. All I need is your love to make me stronger.
Grabe yung sustain naman ito sa notes. Di ba napakagaling niya? Saan ba siya galing guys? Sa The Clash ba? Nakalang ulitin natin
Wanna live above you.
Ang rich ng tone niya. Parang bonggang-bongga talaga.
I'm
Parang sila Adele. Galing nyo narinig. Galing yung favorite.
when you tell me that you love me.
Go, Ara.
In a world without you, I would always hunger. All I need is your love to make me stronger.
Grabe guys, parang hindi man lang siya nahihirapan. Yung parang hindi ko man lang nakita kumukunot yung noon niya. Isa rin siya sa magagaling na singer ngayon.
Tell me that you love me.
Diba nakasmile? Go Jessica! Ito isa rin to sa magaling talaga si Jessica Villarubin, di ba? Duet nila.
Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you?
Ganda na ni
Where
Jessica!
are you going to? Do you know? Do you get what you're hoping for? When you look behind you, there's no open doors.
Di ba? Pinagsama yung dalawang magaling, Arabella plus Jessica Villarubin. I think pareho silang product ng The Clash. In fairness, ang The Clash ang gagaling talaga na sumasali rin.
What are you hoping for? Do you know now, looking back at all
Go Jessica!
we let so many dreams just slip through our
Hindi mo
hands?
nahihirapan ka?
Why must we wait so long before we see how sad the answers to those questions can be?
Basic lang sa kanila yung mga ganyan kasi talaga para silang dalawang diva. Diva in the making na talaga sila
Do you
pala.
know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know?
Actually sa Philippines, nakakatuwa kasi talagang sobrang daming magagaling na singer. Kaya kapag naglaban-laban talaga sila, meron talagang kahit magaling na, natatalo pa din. Kaya pag lumalaban sa ibang bansa, nananalo. Kasi dito talaga, sobrang tindi ng competition pagdating sa singer. Alam niyo mga Pilipino, mga biritero, at saka talagang magagaling.
It's
Yun na naman yung blending nila, guys. Tuwan-tuwa ako pag nag-blending sila. Si Arabella, gustong-gusto ko yung boses niya kasi nga, ang laki ng boses niya. So kapag sinama mo siya sa isang singer na tulad ni Jessica Villarubin na manipis ang boses na mataas, nagmamatch din talaga tulad nung kanta nila no Teya nung last na nag-react ako. Grabe. Kasi talaga maririnig mo silang yung boses nila pareho, walang sapawan. Ulitin natin.
It's my turn. You don't have all the answers. At
Oh,
least
Jessica.
I know I take my chances. Ain't no use of holding on when nothing says.
Panalo, guys. Panalo na naman tayo. Parang gusto ko mag-react sa mga video nila for today's video.
So I'm left and wait.
Go!
It's raining on me, and I let you down, though I know it won't be easy. It's my turn to reach and touch the sky.
Ending.
What's gonna say? At least I didn't try. It's my turn.
Walang kahirap-hirap, guys.
It's my turn.
From mataas na, tataas pa. May itataas pa. Kayo na talaga. Golden buzzer na to. Grabe. Nakakatuwa. Grabe talaga, no? Ang daming powerhouse na singer sa Philippines. Kaya dapat talaga tayo lahat, support natin yung mga Pilipino na mga galing kumanta. Kasi lahat sila, isa sila sa nagiging dahilan kaya sumasaya yung mga tao. Di ba? Napapasaya nila tayo sa pagkanta nila, ang gagaling nila. Yung iba nagre-represent pa para ang Philippines. Nagre-represent sa ibang bansa para, mas makilala lalo ang Philippines. So again, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. My name is Raven. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, please give me a like and click the notification button for more video. And also, kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. Bye!
From the sky.